Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa speaking about the current situation, stating that Punjab has now been put on high alert. And now on to a Republic super exclusive that we are also tracking at this hour. Republic has now accessed details of the intel report that has been shared with the government over the prevailing situation in Punjab. Meanwhile, sounding in high alert in Punjab, the report says that terror attacks are likely in Punjab before and during the polls as well. The report also says that Khalistani groups aided by Pak ISI are also behind this terror activities. Let me also go across to my colleague Amit Chaudhary joining us live from the newsroom. And Amit, certainly shocking details and exclusive details that Republic has now accessed on this intel report. Please share more on this.
चाहूंगा ये खुफिया रिपोर्ट जो है वो केंद्रीय गृह मंत्रालय को सौंपी गई थी कि चुनाव के दौरान और चुनाव से पहले आतंकवादी हमले पंजाब के अलग अलग जगह पर हो सकते हैं या फिर जो सांप्रदायिक जो सौहार्द है उसको भड़काने की कोशिश की जा सकती है, दो गुटों को आपस में लड़वाया जा सकता है या कुछ ऐसा करके पूरे पंजाब का जो माहौल है वो ख़राब किया जा सकता है। और इसके पीछे जो है वो खालिस्तानी आतंकवादी है जो विदेशों में बैठकर, खासकर कनाडा में बैठकर के इस देश में आतंकवादी गतिविधियों को अंजाम देने की साजिशें रच रहे हैं। और उसके साथ में पाकिस्तान के आतंकवादी जो पाकिस्तान के ISI जो है वो इसमें इनको सपोर्ट कर रही है, फाइनेंशियल भी सपोर्ट कर रही है और दूसरे तरफ से लॉजिकल सपोर्ट भी दे रही है। अब जिस तरीके से ब्लास्ट हुआ इसकी इंटेंसिटी को देखकर लगता है कि बहुत बड़ा ब्लास्ट ये हो सकता था, क्योंकि देखिए बाथरूम के अंदर हुआ है और नीचे की अगर हम बात करें तो कार के परखच्चे जो सेकंड फ्लोर के नीचे जो ग्राउंड फ्लोर पर जो कार खड़ी थी उसके परखच्चे तक उड़ गए। इतना यानी मेजर ब्लास्ट था। लेकिन ये ब्लास्ट जो होता है जो शुरुआती अगर हम रिपोर्ट की बात करें, जो वहां पर पुलिस के जवान जो वहां पर मौजूद है, जो दूसरी एजेंसीज वहां पर मौजूद है, उनका ये कहना है कि ये ब्लास्ट जो है ये नाकाम लग रहा है क्योंकि बाथरूम के अंदर बम को असेंबल करने की कोशिश की जा रही थी। मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूं कि बाथरूम के अंदर बम को असेंबल करने की कोशिश की जा रही थी ताकि इसको भीड़ भाड़ वाली जगह पर प्लांट किया जा सके। और अगर ये करने में वो सक्सेस होते अगर तो फिर ये बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों की इसमें जान जा सकती थी। लेकिन जब ये असेंबल कर रहे थे उसी दौरान जो है ये ब्लास्ट हो जाता है, बम फट जाता है और बम की जो इंटेंसिटी है कि वहाँ के जो बाथरूम के जो दीवारें हैं वो टूट जाती है। नीचे ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे नीचे जो पार्किंग में जो गाड़ियां हैं उस तक असर साफ दिखाई दे रहा है। जी
All right, thank you so much, Amit, for getting us all those exclusive intel sources-based details that have now been accessed by Republic. In fact, stay with us, Amit, and also help us understand the latest. We'll try to shortly go across to Amit, but these are startling details that have now emerged as far as the intel sources are concerned, where Republic has accessed these details of the intel report that has been shared with the government of the prevailing situation in Punjab. Remember, this is a blast that has been reported in Ludhiana court, and according to this report, it says that terror attacks are likely in Punjab before and during the polls as well. An attempt possibly to also, and they're also mentioning as to how there are Pak ISI aiding pro-Khalistani groups behind such terror activities that are possibly likely to happen. That has now been accessed by Republic TV. According to sources, they are also spoken about how terror attacks are also likely to happen before and during the polls as well. And that's the reason why the entire state of Punjab, which is also a border state, has now been put on high alert. In fact, Republic has accessed the super exclusive details of the intel report that has been shared with the government over the prevailing situation in Punjab. This is about sounding an high alert in the state of Punjab, that is also a bordering state in the country. This report says that there are terror attacks that are likely in Punjab before and during the polls as well. And this report has also spoken about how there are certain Khalistani groups that are also aided by Pak ISI that are also possibly behind terror activities. That is the super exclusive details, intel sources, reports that have now been accessed here on Republic TV right after this high intensity blast that has now been reported in Ludhiana, where unfortunately 2 people have lost their lives. Meanwhile, the entire state of Punjab has now been put on high alert. Meanwhile, Republic has also accessed new videos from outside the Ludhiana court taken just moments after the blast, once again witnessing and showing us the high intensity of this particular blast as well, how the entire wall of this particular bathroom has been shattered. There have been cars that have been damaged, and the latest possible information and super exclusive information that Republic has now accessed is that of an intel report that has also been shared with the government over the prevailing situation in Punjab. These are intel-based sources that have also indicated as to how that was shared with the government via intel report that terror attacks are likely to happen in Punjab before and during the polls. The Pak ISI is possibly also aiding pro-Khalistani groups engaging in also vitiating this atmosphere. There will also be possible attempts to disturb religious harmony before the polls. These are pro-Khalistani groups that are also posing a big challenge in Punjab right before the state goes to polls early next year. These are pro-Khalistani groups that are also possibly conspiring to bring instability in Punjab and getting in these alerts on attempts to create communal disharmony as well. And remember, these are all intel sources indicating, and these are super exclusive details that have now been accessed by Republic. The team of intel agency was recently sent to Canada. The intel agency team apprised officials on how there are certain pro-Khalistani activities that are also underway. The NIA will also be sharing evidence on the activities by pro-Khalistani groups, and these are all information that has now been accessed by Republic. These are intel sources indicating as to how possibly that was shared with the government via intel reports, and how possibly Pak has been aiding these attacks on a day when we have reported this high intensity blast in Ludhiana that has been reported. And this is exclusive details here on Republic TV that has been shared with the government over the prevailing situation in Punjab as well, which is also a bordering state, which makes it even more highly sensitive right ahead of the assembly elections. State assembly elections. Meanwhile, sounding a high alert in Punjab, the report further says that terror attacks are likely in Punjab before and during the polls as well. This report has also mentioned about the fact and stated that how Khalistani groups are aiding and aided by Pak ISI are behind certain terror activities that are happening around and inside Punjab as well. This once again has put the entire state of Punjab on a high alert.